A woman who escaped death recently is this evening sharing an encounter she had with men posing as taxi operators. The woman, who was beaten and robbed, says she's been left traumatized, but she's happy to be alive. Anthony Lugg has the story.
Beat me up in my head, in my ears down. Beat me, just like beat me. Can't show me now I leg of the money. I know me have the money. You deal with me wicked.
This woman is still in pain, but she's counting her blessings. Over the weekend, she escaped death after entering a taxi at the Independent City bus stop in Portmore, St. Catherine.
One ear person said, "Good afternoon, passenger. Don't move." So we and 4 other lady in there scream out. The one at the back have a knife, the one at the front have a gun. He lock the job, wind up the window, lock the door them. Driving.
She said one of the men then asked for their handbags and began removing cash and debit cards. He later asked for the PIN numbers.
Same time, one person said to him, "Driver, you kill we will give everything we have." Him say, "Him not come for kill nobody, him just come for rob."
Despite those words from the driver, they begged and pleaded for their lives. But by the time they approached the Dyke Road, the unthinkable happened.
Tie up your hand with mouth and with eye. From this up, blindfolds, we don't see nothing. We don't know which way in turn, none at all. One person in there saying, "Driver, my mother dead, you know. My mother dead. Please, may I ask you, give me back something out of the money now." Complain say, "Hey girl, tap your eyes before we shoot you. You want to make it you want to make you dead like how your mother dead, you have to bury the 2 you know?"
She told us the men took close to $300,000. But despite going through such an ordeal, she observed something strange about one of the female passengers.
The lady on the back, she not say nothing. Let we off one of the back of wharf. Before I said to say, if you ever turn back and look, you might shoot, you might kill you.
Even when help came,
she don't make no phone call, none at all. When we go in the car, the 3 lady go in the car. We said to her, "So they come in the car, you know?" She said, "Oh, mother, I come to call you."
Police sources have revealed that the matter was reported to the Denham Town Police and an investigation is currently underway. We were also told that similar matters have been reported in recent times. It's not clear how close the police are to identifying those responsible. However, the victim remains fearful.
Because what them do to me, we don't want them breathe again. Because the greatest thing we have in life, and we don't want to go in on no more taxi. That's TVJ bus.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.